Hi Jimmy, good morning. How are you, man? Hmm? How are you? Hmm? This morning is so cool and it's very so quiet and silent. It's a very good morning. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. And that's it. And today it is a environmental day. Environmental day is celebrated on June 5th. And today is a environmental day and celebrating with the environmental and planting the so many trees. And this is the celebration of environmental day. Early morning I am going to walking. It is a fresh morning today. It is very good morning for in this day. It is a very beautiful day day, and it's very environment day is so beautiful day and so beautiful moment now. Just look like a wow. Why people are get up in the morning? They are maintaining the health and they are maintaining the activeness and to maintain the fitness. And to be walking on the road, it is very dangerous. So to see the left hand side to while crossing the road. And why are people are maintaining the fitness? They become activeness and they are maintaining the health and to increasing the applications of immunity. Is the people are some how they get up in early morning to maintaining the health, to maintaining their health, and I am also maintaining our health to get up in early morning to walking and doing the exercises and maintaining our health. They are get up in the early morning. They are so intense people. They're walking over there and they are going walking and by going the to reach the home and doing the some programming and some programs and some exercises. It will be maintained and early morning. Um, some elders are telling wake up early in the morning, do the walking early in the morning. We can get more activeness in the morning till day to night. It is very um, it is very beautiful morning. It is air is coming cool and it's very getting the fresh in the air in the environmental day. The human beings are involved in the environment and we have the connectivity to the environmental. We are connected in these plants and trees and animals. We are living with the living beings in on the earth. Walking or jogging in the morning is a wonderful way to breathe in the fresh air and start the day. Many people have built the routine of exercises in the park to boost their daily energy, and being surrounding by nature and making staying and daily energy and being surrounding by nature making and staying active and healthy and feel true enjoyable. This is the simple built habit reminds us of our deep connection to the environment, ultimately and living a healthy life and goes hand in hand and our bend with the earth. Wake up early allows to people to fully connect with the nature and the environment during a morning or walking or exercises and routine, and they can breathe in the fresh air and truly enjoy the outdoors. It is a wonderful way to represent the beauty of the earth as the world wakes up. They enjoying the exercises and walking and track and by nature. celebrating in the schools an environmental day. This is a June day, and this is June 1st. There's opening the reopening schools for the children, reopening for colleges for the youth. Today is a June day. June day, it is a fresh day, and it is a coolest day in this month. Why they are reopening the school for children? Because of it is very cold weather, and it is very cool weather. They should in cool weather you should for reading and writing and preparing the some knowledges and preparing and writing the examinations for in the next month. Next month, the next after the 6 months. And why reopening the schools and colleges? It's a fresh month. Why not why are not so why not running the school in the summer season? And why not because we have the heat, more heat weather. Because of that they are not running the summer season in the school. And they are giving the holidays for children in the long days. And why children are going to trip in the summer? Because of they are going in the beaches, and they are going to anywhere that trip. And some going to the trip palace, some going to their grandmother house. And very too long holiday for the children, because of they enjoying with the parents and touring with the parents. This is their touring month of their children. Because of it, in summer holidays, it is a long time holidays in the 2 or 3 months until finishes the summer. Because of they are doing the touring in the summer season, and they are going to some long touring. They are going to the trip of it whether maybe out of weather, out of country and out of state. They are going to trip and some other places. Because of they first doing the they are going to trip to the fresh mind and spinning holding the cameras. Okay, let's enjoy the walking now. Children are enjoying the summer holidays, and because they want to make a fresh mind, and they want to enjoy with friends and parents. And while doing the touring, and while playing in the near to the home. And because of they are enjoying the long holidays in the summer season for children before June. And some schools are started before June, like May ending week, like May 28th, May 27th, May 25th. Some schools are started in this date, and some schools are starting in the June 1st and June 5th or June 4th. They are starting the schools in different date and different plannings, and doing the scheduling for children to finishing their educations, and to finishing the classes for the children, doing the lectures for the children. They are planning to start the for lesson. And in this weather, the weather is so cool weather, we can read and write in this weather. We become a mind fresh in this season for June day. It is called as a environmental day.
School bus. Driver now manage the daily and student pick up some drops. Drivers are taking responsible to pick up drops to the student to the school.
school bus has started. And because of the school is start to pick up the children and dropping the children school to home and home to school. They're doing the pickup and drop for all the children. Today today is school buses are roaming and here and there. Some school buses are roaming here and there to pick up and dropping the children and to the school. And this is the transport facility for the children. It is they are maintaining the transport facility from the school, and it's very beautiful facility they are given. So dropping and picking the children, and so school buses are roaming here and there, and they become a more traffic in front of their houses in inside the layout. It's very this is very struggling to driving the vehicle. Hats up to the drivers to driving the school buses and taking care of the children and safe and sound. I'm going to salute the driver. We cannot talk about the drivers. The drivers are work doing the work in the effort way, and I want to accept the drivers to taking the children and to pick up and dropping the children in the safe way and safe sound. They're doing the drivers are doing the good work. Hats up. You cannot talk about the drivers. Drivers are God. Hats up to the drivers.
Morning newspaper delivers distribute knowledge and global media's update to the world, spreading the knowledge to the people early in the morning.
Do you see the same this? Someone, they are throwing the newspaper early morning. Why they are throwing the newspaper in the morning in front of the houses? Because they read the newspaper, what news is going on yesterday, and because of that they are doing the newspaper in front of the houses. And why? Because they're opening the doors and taking the newspaper and reading and to collect the information about the another matter. Yesterday matters is what going on in the yesterday matters. They are doing the newspaper in the morning. Why they have the difficulties? The newspaper boys. They should wake up at they should wake up at 4:30 a.m. to arrange the newspapers and distributing the newspapers some all the surroundings to the layout, and they have the difficulties to work in their life and to earning the money. Newspaper by earning the money is so difficult in nowadays. We cannot tell about newspaper boy. They are doing the wonderful work. I want to hats up the people.
Showing devotion to the tree as a god that unites human and animals and birds alike. Tree is a oxygen supplier for living beings. Walking towards the tree after a hug, I celebrate the beautiful bond of love and connection that links us to the environment. It is called Chipko movement. The Chipko movement represents a deep love for nature, expressing gratitude to trees for the valuable gifts they give us, such as shadow, fruits, and oxygen, etc.
why I am hugging the trees? Because of it have the more connectivity from the environment, from human beings. Living beings, it living from the trees, and by getting the oxygen from the trees. Trees will help the. It gives the more shelter, and it give the correct season in a rain, and it is a natural shelter, and it is protected by the any other season. And birds are why they are building the nest, and like because of the it give the more shelter, it give the more cool air, and it will be it gives the nature beautiful, and it will be keep the calm and cool and neat and clean our nature. This is called as the environment Chipko movement. A Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna in the year of March 26th, 1973 to 1974. He is from Uttarakhand state, Chamoli district, and Raini village. He has protested against to the government to cutting the trees for the timber contract, and he have the created more awareness about the environment towards the government. And Sundaral Bahuguna, he done the good work to against to the protesting the trees. Because of why are the hugging the trees, he has started to hug the trees, and because of that, it is called as a Chipko movement. Chipko movement is very it is very viral to the all over world, and the news are spreaded all over world. It will be why people are watched. They know the they know the values. They are knowing the values of environment. It is protecting the trees, and we have the connectivity, and it have the more relationship between the plants and trees, and it will be saved because of they are creating the awareness to save the trees. Why people are giving the more importance to the environment, and any other companies, any other organization, why are giving to the importance to the environment? Should give the any other company should give the more importance to the environment. Should save the environment. Environment is the most important for our life. And it is called as hugging the trees. It's called as Chipko movement. Chipko movement is I told in the next line, and hugging the trees, and Sundarlal Bahuguna started the Chipko movement, hugging the trees, and hugging the trees to creating the awareness to the government to cutting the trees, to how to avoid the cutting the trees, and to save the forest, and to save the environment, and to save the wildlife. Trees are protecting the wildlife, and we are protecting our cities and culture of environment. Let's talk about the Salamarthi Maka. Salamarthi Maka, they came from the poor family, and they born in Karnataka state, Tumkur district and Gubbi Taluk, and they had done planted more trees, more than 100 trees. They giving the and creating the more awareness to about the environment, and to about the plants and trees. And plants and trees are very protective, and it will be protecting to the environment, protecting the earth, and protecting the wildlife and birds life. Salamarthi Maka, she done the wonderful work. They had getted award of Padma Shri Punaskar from the central government. She did a wonderful job and a wonderful work. I want to hats up to her. She had aged at 110 years old lady, and I have to hats up to her. Um, she did a wonderful work, and we planted the more trees and more creating the awareness about the environment. They had they have been taking care of the trees, like children, and she planted a small plant. They grown up like a big tree, and big creating to the environment, and created as a environment attachment. Environment attachment there teach it by the Salmar Timaka, and she had planted the more trees and more protecting to the natural shelter. They had done the synthetic planning about planting the trees, and they had done the planning of and every day planting the trees from the roadside, and from in front of the home side and the roadside. They have planted the more trees and more um, protecting the bird life and bird life and biodiversity of the environment. Let's talk about the in the small information, afforestation and deforestation. Afforestation. Afforestation is a planting the more trees in a good planning, in a synthetic planning. We planting the trees in the safer side. It is called as afforestation. Deforestation. Deforestation it is a cutting down the trees and destroying the environment, and they are creating a disaster to cutting down the trees. And the trees are helped. To avoid the soil fertility, and they are cutting down the trees to any other plan, and they do not have the any other plan to cutting the plan to plant the trees, and they keep on cutting all the trees and destroying the environment. It is called as a deforestation. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe, please support us. How is my video? Please comment carefully. Save the earth, save the environment, save the plants, save the tree. Until the next video, tada bye bye to all. Please follow my Instagram ID on my screen, and please support us. Until the next video, tada bye bye to all. Bye.